Hey everyone, today we're diving into something called OfferLab, and we're going to talk about how just a tiny shift in how you think about it could totally blow up your business and, multiply your earnings. So let's jump right in. Okay, so I want to start with this quote because I think we've all been here, right? When I first heard about OfferLab, I wasn't interested. And that's such a real reaction. You hear about some new thing and your immediate thought isn't, oh wow, it's something else entirely. Yeah, it's this thought right here. Great, another tool to set up. We've all got that tool fatigue, don't we? Another login, another system to learn, another thing to connect. If you're running your own thing, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The thought of adding just one more thing can feel totally exhausting.
But here's the pivot point. This is the question that really flips the script. What if it isn't a tool at all? Seriously, what if we've been looking at this thing completely wrong? What if it's not just another piece of software you gotta manage?
Okay, so let's reframe this whole thing. Let's stop thinking of it as a tool and start seeing it for what it really is, a collaborative marketplace. And believe me, this one little change in perspective, it's a total game changer. So what does that even mean? Well, think of it like this. It's a meeting point. It's like a big, bustling marketplace where creators can list their amazing offers and promoters can come in, look around, and pick them up to sell to their own audience. It's just the spot where everyone connects. And this slide just lays it out perfectly. The old way of thinking, it feels like a burden, right? A tool to set up, more work, another system. But the new view? It's all about opportunity, a marketplace of opportunities, more sales, a network of partners. You're going from this isolated, lonely task to being part of a huge connected ecosystem. All right, so that all sounds great in theory, but talk is cheap, right? Let's get into some actual examples and see how this whole marketplace idea really works, how the magic actually happens. Okay, scenario number one, the cooking class funnel. So picture this. You've created an awesome Mediterranean cooking masterclass. You're the creator, your course is amazing, and you're ready to sell it. So step one, you're selling your class for, say, $100. But then you hop into the marketplace and you find a partner who has a great $20 recipe book. Boom, you add that as an upsell. Then you find another partner with a $50 knife set. You add that too. Notice what's happening here. You didn't have to create any new products. You're just curating. And look at this. You just made an extra $35 in pure profit, in commissions. And the best part, you're not doing any of the extra work. You don't have to print the book, you don't have to ship the knives. It's literally earnings for doing nothing extra. Now that is powerful. Okay, let's try another one. Scenario two, the photography course funnel. Same idea, different niche. Let's say you've got this amazing photography course. So you sell your course for $197. Then you partner up with someone selling a $40 tripod kit and someone else with $30 Lightroom presets. You just pop those into your sales funnel. Suddenly, your customers are getting way more value and your average cart value just shot through the roof. And again, you didn't have to make or ship a thing. But wait, this is where the magic really kicks in. It goes both ways. Now Alex, the tripod guy, can offer your photo course to his customers. And Lisa, with the presets, she can too. All of a sudden, you have new customers flowing to your business from your partners. It's this incredible web where everyone is helping everyone else win. And this isn't just for small stuff. It works for higher ticket things too. Let's look at a fitness program funnel. Imagine you have a popular strength program and you really want to maximize what you earn from every single customer. Okay, so you've got your $197 program. You partner with someone selling $60 protein powder and you get a 50% cut. Then, and this is big, you partner with an expert who offers $500 coaching, and you get a 25% commission. You've just built a complete fitness solution for your customer without doing any of the extra work yourself. Just look at that number, $155 in extra earnings from one customer. And you didn't have to lift a finger to do the coaching or ship the protein. All you did was make a connection. That's just incredible. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Okay, this is great for big ticket items, but what if I'm selling something small? Well, guess what? It works just as well. Let's check out a low ticket book funnel. Now, this strategy is pretty genius. You got a $10 ebook, right? But here's the twist. You give 100% of that $10 to your promoters. You don't make a dime on the book itself. Why? Because you're not trying to sell a book. You're trying to get a customer. The real money is on the back end with the upsells to a $97 meal planning app and a $297 coaching program from your partners. It's a perfect win-win-win. The promoter gets paid, your partners get sales, and you get a high-value customer. So, you see the pattern here, right? Whether it's cooking, photography, or fitness, there's this win-win formula running through all of it. It's not just about you selling your one thing. It's about creating this value chain where everybody gets a piece of the pie. So let's just break down why this is such a game changer. First, you sell your own stuff, obviously. Second, you add other people's offers as upsells and immediately make more money. Third, and this is the big one, other people can add your offers to their funnels, sending brand new customers your way. And finally, you could literally build an entire business just by putting together funnels of other people's products without ever creating a thing yourself. Mind-blowing, right? When you boil it all down, it comes to this. This is about collaboration over competition. It's about realizing that the pie is big enough for everyone and that we can all grow so much faster when we work together instead of against each other. So we're back to where we started. This is not about learning another tool. It is a game-changing shift in how you think about your business. It's moving from being on an island by yourself to being part of this incredible connected network. And that really just leaves one big question for you to chew on. Think about your own business right now. Your audience. Who could you collaborate with? Who else out there is serving the same people? Whose product would be the perfect what's next for your customers? Just think. Who could you partner with to create a massive win for you, for them, and especially for your customers?